Hi creators, I'm here bringing to you today something different. I hope you have an open mind for it. I really love tarot cards, and the reason why is because some of them have amazing art. And I love how they have, messages, guidance. So here I am with this beautiful deck from um, Kim Kranz, and what I did before was I was putting sage and Palo Santo just to clean up the energy of the tarot. But it's basically just what the tarot can do is just giving you some ideas. And her beautiful deck is made of vibrant colors and watercolor based. So I'm here just writing what I can see in this card, the message and the colors that I see, what I think it means, and things like that, to then take it to my journal. So here's some ideas that you can do with tarot cards. You can check the color palette. You can, help your design techniques, elements. All of that can help you to do our journal. So here I will start the page with gesso because I want to do the background kind of like the tarot card, very watercolor-like, but not with watercolors. And I am preparing the page with gesso so it's not so absorbent, and it also can hold with so much water. So I'm here using distress inks, and I'm putting the distress inks and also the acrylic paint, and I'm putting a lot of water and spraying that. So it makes this really watery background. And you can see I keep doing that to mimic the colors that inspire me in the tarot card, which I think she uses a lot of purple and oranges and yellow, and that's what I'm doing, you see there. So, and she had black as well. So I keep doing that. I, of course, had to use pink, which is a pinkish, purple pinkish. And I keep doing the background like that with a lot of water and spraying the distress inks. I'm going to leave the links in the comments for you so you can check. If you're not familiar with distress inks, let me know. I can do a video about that. And I'm going to dry everything so I can start the second ground of this spread. So I built up a lot this background, as you can see, a lot of water, gesso, drying, and all things like that. So now here is dry, and I'm putting the middle is gonna be, the tarot card is a circle. So I really much was attracted to it because of the shape. So I want to do a circle as well, imitating the tarot card. So, but I want it to be illuminated in the center. So I'm just putting more gesso there, preparing on my design. And I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to dry this part, and I'm going to do a circle with a compass there. And doing a circle there. So, but you can do this freehand. It's okay. I just wanted to do a more perfect circle there. So following the card, you're gonna see the card better later, but I have mostly yellow, orange, and white. So, and I keep filling that circle there just like the card. And trying to blend. Here I'm using Arteza paints. They are not very thick, but they are not also very light. So some of them are more opaque than others. So I'm creating that. So every time I'm creating this, I'm thinking about the message, the colors. It's a good time for you to take time for yourself when you're creating your art journal and reflect on the message that you want to put in your journal. What are these colors bringing to you? What does this mean? What do you want to leave the message there? And I think that's the whole principle as well, not just the fun of it, but what you want to say to yourself and what that design, is bringing to you. In this case, to me, illumination, bright light, path. There is dark side, there is bright side, which it's a little bit of what life it is, right? We cannot have light without the dark. So you have the options with art journaling to go to that part of it if you want, and that's what I like to do. But if you want to go to the art part, that is fun as well, and that's what I'm making here, having a lot of fun with this spread. So I dried the circle, and I just wanted to bring back more contrast. So you're gonna see that I'm gonna just highlight around the circle, as you can see now, and just to bring that, you know, kind of reflection that a moon or a sun does. To me, it kind of was a mixture of that. It's a sun, it's a moon, you know. So that's what I'm using here, white paint, white acrylic, not gesso, in this part. And also I give a little bit of a painty look. Instead of a perfect edge circle, I decided to just, you know, with the finger to go ahead and blur the lines a little bit of the circle. And now I am stamping, and what I'm stamping is the meaning of the cards, which was the sword card. And what I'm going to do here is, do you remember that I was, you know, journaling and writing things, and these were the things that I wish and that I understood and what the card made me feel, and this whole process. So you're going to see that I grab my journal there and I just reflect myself and remember what I wrote, and then I'm gonna form paths that goes to that card. And now you can see the card there. The card is a mixture of light and dark, and I'm gonna just create paths there that's gonna have messages for myself. Of course, you can do this in just straight lines in the sides or around the circle. There's many possibilities here. I decided to reflect the line that she has there in the card, almost looking like a thunder, a lightning. So that's why I did that. But of course, you can write inside the circle. You can do all these things as well. I'm just going with the Posca paints around, forming more lines, and I'm going to write the messages there. And I hope, you know, you would do this and reflect a little bit. If you never used tarot cards, at least I think they're a great prompt for journals and inspiration about colors, designs, everything. So I'm for sure gonna be doing more spreads here related to tarot cards, because they inspire me a lot. So make sure to leave your comments and tell me if you have ever used tarot cards before.